Guys, let's get into it real quick here for cryptocurrency. I already sent out that we're gonna be still selling Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies. Um, let's see here. Let's see. I hope that each and every one of you guys had a great, awesome, amazing weekend for Father's Day weekend as well. And let's get into it. So I'm gonna hop into the daily chart here. So Bitcoin's trying to retrace back up here. You guys can see the wick here closing, then back on top here at 66,000 currently here. It's pretty much lunchtime here at my time, 12 o'clock. So looking to keep selling the cryptocurrencies here. If it does hold its price here, that's good support here to keep buying, to buy as a retracement. But I'm still looking for Bitcoin to come back to 65, and then we'll see if it comes down to 64. Ethereum came all the way down to 3,400. I'm looking for it to come back to break that 3,400 price mark. There, this little support here at 3,471. I'm looking for Litecoin to come break this at 75 on a daily here. There's no other support until we come back down to 68 and 67. Looking for Shiba. Shiba's already broken through. The next support would be all the way back at the bottom at zero at the 1,000 mark here. The 1,000 mark here, back down here. And this is on the daily chart. Dogecoin has touched support here again at the 13-cent mark. I'm still looking for it to break 13 cents, back going back down to 10 cents in value. Ripple, looking for Ripple. So Ripple shot back up. Major move for Ripple, 4.6% gain for today. We'll see if the retracement is done and selling it back down to 45 cents. Neo has already broken down support. The next move would be to come down to $11 in value. And then we will see where things go from there. Oh, just got close on that. So now looking for Dash to, let's see here. Try maneuver here. Looking for Dash to come back down to 20. Sitting at 25. So the next move we could break down to 24. Solana. Write this down. Looking for Solana to come down to 120. We'll break down to 140 to 130. And then Zcash, looking for Zcash, come all the way back down to 20 here. And then finally Tezos. It's under 80 cents in value. It's at 70 cents in value right now. The next move will be come back down to 70 cents in value. Yep. And that's it. That's a wrap. Any questions regarding the analysis, let me know. So far, I'm still selling cryptocurrency. Like I said, if anything changes, I'll let you guys know tonight. But other than that, I plan to keep the sell for today. So, and we'll see what happens for tonight. All right, guys. Peace out. See you guys. All right, guys. Finally just made it back home, but let's get into it. I hope everyone had a great Father's Day weekend. So I want to hop in here, talk about the weekly swing signals. So the plan is to keep buying the US dollar index, looking for the US dollar index to reach a price of 106. And then from there, we'll see how much more it's going to keep going up. As far as for the indices, I believe we are some. Yeah. I just want to run back and see what I had. Buying gold, selling all US dollar pairs. Oh, no. Except UK is trying to shoot up. Buying. Okay, so buying indices, selling New Zealand, selling pound, selling euro, buying euro British. Okay, so buying indices, looking for US 30 to come back to 39,000, and then we'll see if it breaks above 39,000 there. Buying S&P 500. S&P 500 is gonna, man, it's breaking way crazy highs here. So the next move would be 5,500, and then we'll see if it sustains above 5,500. So there. Nasdaq is going up. Looking for Nasdaq at 20,000. That's gonna be pretty insane to see how that's going. play out. But yeah, they're still uptrending, so I don't really see a whole lot going on. For like a major reversal for sell yet. We'll see if US dollar holds his weight here to hit 106. We are buying gold, looking for gold to come back up. But gold is already coming back down, so my daily entry is probably going to end up selling this. But on the weekly swing, we're looking for it to come back to hit 2350, and then we'll see if it tries to make a move back to 2400. Same thing for silver. Looking for silver to hit $30 back in value. If it does not, it'll end up selling back down at 29. Let's see, looking for some UJ. Looking for UJ to break down back to 156 and then back down to 155. And then for UCAD, I have a buy for UCAD due to the fact that it is still trying to remain at this price at 138. If it does not break above 138 by Wednesday, I'm probably end up just shorting it back down to 137. Like I said, there's a lot of consolidation at the top resistance of 138. And if it doesn't break above that, it's going to sell it back down. U-Swiss looking to sell this pair back down to break below 89. And then the next target would be to break down to 88. This, I believe, we're gonna be selling euro. So, yes, selling euro and the pound. So this is such a crazy toss up. I'm not following the correlation of the US dollar at this point because some of these pairs are going up on its own based on their own fundamentals and all of the other economics that are in play with that country or that specific currency. So don't get too caught up on just looking at the inverse or the actual correlation tied to the US dollar index. Some of these pairs right now are just either going against the US dollar, even though the US dollar is still going up or down. So pay close attention to what is fundamentally happening with each currency. Weekly swing sell for euro here back down to 107 and then break 107 back down to 106. Buying the euro British pound, looking for this pair to break back up to 85, and then we'll see if it sustains above 85 from there. Like I said, I probably would expect this week and next week to be more consolidation. As I already expected for the summer to not be as high volatile and high liquidity of trading. So I don't expect too much volume of trading unless there's interest rate decision, maybe the Federal Reserve's involved, or NFP, or or maybe sometimes GDP and CPI might play a big role, but other than that, that's all I'm really paying attention to for this summer. Not all high impact red news are going to have a major effect during the summertime, or even when we come into the presidential election. That's going to be a major run for by late fall. So I'll be well prepared for that. What I say for the pound? Selling the pound back down to 126, and then we'll see if it breaks below 126 by the week. And then selling the Australian and New Zealand dollar. I'm expecting both these pairs to drop. Looking for the Australian dollar back down to 65, and then the next move will be break down to 64. And then for New Zealand, drop that down 60, no, 61 first, and then break back down to 60. As far as for red news, Australia got their rate statement tonight. Okay. US dollar has a bank holiday on Wednesday. I think. I didn't realize we had a bank holiday. What's going on with the bank holiday? No way. I'm really shocked. What the heck is Juneteenth? I didn't realize that was a bank holiday. It's interesting. I don't. I did not realize that was a bank holiday. So Wednesday is a bank holiday for the United States because it's Juneteenth. I don't know what that means. Didn't realize that was actually considered a bank holiday. And then, but Thursday we have the Switzerland National Bank Policy rate here. Now that's going to be during London sessions. I'll be asleep around that time. And then 6 in the morning here, Central Time, we have the official bank rate for the Bank of England, what they call it the MPC. What do they call MPC? To that. But it's usually called BOE, which is Bank of England. So, and then Friday finishing off with manufacturing PMI and retail sales. Yeah, so a lot of PMI for Friday for Euro, Pound, CAD, and United States. So, yeah, I'm just really shocked we have a bank holiday on Wednesday for the United States. So, I personally, I don't know, wouldn't really consider that, but it's a holiday, so can't do nothing about it. But it's a bank holiday. Do I recommend trading on bank holidays? No, I don't, but you never know. Might end up getting something out of the other currencies for that day. Other than that, any questions regarding the weekly swing signals analysis, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Other than that, I'll see you guys in Telegram chat. Peace out.